creating our own YouTube thumbnails with a platform called Canva. So for that, first open your web browser and then type in canva.com. Here you can design anything, just as they have said here. You can create YouTube thumbnail, logos, posters, presentation, Instagram post, animated social media, video, Facebook post, infographic, invitation, Facebook cover, card, flyer, and many other. And you can also create them if you want as your custom size. So for this video we'll be creating a thumbnail, so click on that. And then this will appear. Here we can see some thumbnails, templates, thumbnail templates. You can see here. So let's just pick one, maybe this one, and then this will appear. You can change anything in this. You can change this text here, so just click on that and then backspace. You can change your color, italics, you can change the size of it, alignment, and you can even change the font. So let me just change the font. If you are using the free account and not Canva Pro, you cannot use some of these fonts. The non-free ones are those ones with the crown, so these we can't use these, but there are many other free ones, so I'm just going to choose this one. Yes, and then you can type anything like so the font size, let me just decrease it. One more, 96. Oh, breakfast. Oopsies, making a lot of mistakes. Breakfast. I think we need to decrease it again. Yes, my breakfast. And you can add your own photos or videos. So I have some that I'm not going to be adding, and you can also add this canvas photos. They have a lot of options here. If you want, you can add that. Then they have elements like these, and in elements they also have stickers which are like this. So you can use that if you want. So I'm just going to use this there and then resize it. But these GIFs moments won't be visible in the thumbnail, so I think that's enough. And you can add any text, additional text, and you can also use font combinations, and you can upload videos. And if you're making a template, a custom template, you can also use these backgrounds, these colors, all these designs. There are a bunch of them, as you can see. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and download it. Oh, it's an MP4, but I don't want an MP4 as there is. So I am going to be download it as a PNG. Download. Okay, it says to try free if you want Canva Pro, but anyway, as you can see, my thumbnail is downloaded. You can see over here. So I think that's it for today. Bye.